30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind blow. That bridge is getting low, ramboats are coming home. But the old man down the quarter, he slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he says. I was born in the rain on a puncher train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's thunder, it's hard, it's cold, it's rain. Nobody talking, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.
A man came down from Chicago, he's gonna get that levee right. He said it would be at least 3 feet higher or you won't make it through the night. But the man there down in the quarter said, don't you listen to that boy. The water get down by the morning and he'll be back to Illinois. And I was born on the rain on a puncher train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody taught her, takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.
30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear that south wind blow. The bridge is getting low, ramboats are coming home. But the old man down in the quarter, he slowly turns his head. He takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he says. I was born in the rain on the puncher train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June.